I just recently got back from a spring break Florida vacation in the last couple of days, and I'm in Michigan. It's literally snowing outside right now. Cannot make that up. It is mid-April and it's snowing outside after beautiful Florida weather, but I digress. I want to talk about something. I realized I do change something about my beard routine when I am on vacation, specifically somewhere like Florida or where it's nice out and I'm outside, going to pools, going to theme parks. And I'm going to get into that, I promise. But it's really actually a bigger topic that I kind of realized as I hit the record button. This was not where I thought I was going to go, but it really just kind of resonated with me. And that's the idea that we get so obsessed with the perfect routine for our beards. Rightfully so, we care about it. We love our beard. It's a random passion of ours, right? Many of you understand what I'm talking about. It's a billboard. It's our appearance. We want to show it in the best light possible. No pun intended. And we really dial in. But how many areas of life are we that dialed in for the perfect routine? Are you eating in a perfect way every day? No, probably not. Some of you, hey, kudos, touche. Are you working out every day all year in a perfect way? All right, maybe not. Are you drinking enough water every single day? I mean, maybe some of these things we are, and that's fantastic. But so many areas of life, we kind of go with the flow. We give ourselves grace and we have adjustments. But with the beard, we get really rigid. And we know this is the best way, we gotta stick to this, and there's nothing wrong with that, especially as you're learning. But you really do need to listen to your beard, first and foremost, and then listen to the situation. Listen to life. Give yourself grace, know that your beard will bounce back, and it's okay to not be perfect all the time. Truly, it's okay. Now I'm gonna explain my situation, then we'll kind of bring it back together at the end. I adjusted how often I wash and condition my beard when I'm on vacation. But Dan, you say you wash your beard every day. Are you washing less on vacation? That's gross. No, I'm actually washing more often. Most days when I was in Florida, I was washing twice a day. I believe I conditioned my beard once a day, every day. Both of those are more frequent than what I recommend. And they are more frequent than what I do here back in Michigan or really any other time of the year except for a hot and sweaty vacation. And it was needed. I believe for my vacation, listening to my beard, understanding the situation, what I did was the best approach for that week. Now, I don't recommend sustaining that. I don't recommend doing that on a regular basis. But when I was in Florida, a normal day would be we get up and we go to the theme park. This year it was Universal. Now we stayed at like a little Marriott resort. Points, baby. Didn't pay for the room at all. Get a Marriott credit card, guys. Totally worth it, at least for us. We pay it off every week, so there's no debt building up, and we get free hotel rooms. But we got a week of free Marriott hotels. So we would go to Universal in the morning. I, of course, want to shower, get ready, and look my best in the morning. I also slept all night. Who knows if I drooled? Who knows what was going on with my beard at night? So I want to wash it in the morning so I can be presentable and feel good for the day. So I wash my beard in the morning, sometimes condition, usually condition, go to the theme park all day, get hot, sweaty, enjoy ourselves, and then we want to go to a dinner. I'm not just going to rinse. I'm not just going to have my beard feeling like it's dirty or anything. Because I mean, if you're out there in that Florida heat, in the lines, if all the people around, I didn't want the germs. I didn't want the sweat. I didn't want all of that. So I washed my beard again. That's number two. And one of those times I condition. I try not to over condition. And then even then, sometimes I have to plan because if we go to the pool after dinner, I can't go to bed with chlorine in my beard. Now, I didn't think I had any 3 wash days, but if that was the case, I might wash my beard 3 times that day. Now, is that good for the health of my beard? No, it's just not, right? There are things in life where it's good to do, and it's a good thing, but too much of a good thing is bad. I would argue most things in life, too much of a good thing is bad. Even water. We love water, but if you do too much of it, it can dilute your electrolytes if you're not keeping up. If you go to the extreme, you can really harm yourself with too much water. Now, most of us will never physically be able to do that, but you get what I mean there. I, on average, was conditioning every day and washing twice a day. Now, Dan, can't you just adjust that and say, hey, don't wash in the morning, rinse, you're going to the theme park anyway? Yeah, But that wasn't what I wanted to do. That's not what felt right for me and my beard. Now that I'm back, I'm washing every day, conditioning every other day. I don't have to worry as much about chlorine. I don't have to worry as much about huge crowds of people around me and you understand when you're in those lines. And it's okay. I do not feel like my beard is any worse coming home. I do not feel like I harmed my beard. Now, again, if that became my lifestyle for a year, eventually it will add up and it will break down hair fibers. It's just too much of a cleansing on the beard to do over and over and over again and get away with it. Eventually it will catch up. But if you have a little blip here, a vacation, if you got a weekend here, if you got a day where you didn't know you were going to go to the gym at some point and you want to wash after, but you already washed in the morning, do it. Make the right call for you and your situation. Understand the baseline. Know what is best and what is generally recommended, and then let life have its variables. Adjust. Don't be the guy that sits on the side of the pool and you're like, I can't jump in. I already washed my beard today and Dan says only once a day. I'm not doing it, guys. No. Jump in the pool, wash your beard the second time. Now, if you have a pool at home, if you are swimming laps on a regular basis, now let's adjust. Maybe you're not going to wash your beard when you get up. You're going to wait till after the pool. And you make those calls when it becomes a regular lifestyle. But I do have to admit, I did change my routine during vacation, and I feel like you guys deserve to hear that because you hear me talk about the routine. You hear me talk about what's best, but I should talk about when I make adjustments. I should talk about when it's more of a human approach, and I hope that just takes some weight off for you guys. And you understand if you've been through similar situations, you don't have to feel bad about it. You don't have to hide it. It is something that is encouraged and is normal. Your beard is meant to be enjoyed, not to handcuff you from life. My name's Dan C. Bearded, you guys. Thank you for watching. If you have made it to this point and you're not subscribed, please consider it. I love doing this. If you enjoyed the video, hit a thumbs up if it had any value for you. It's absolutely free to do either of those things. And then my last invite is leave a comment. Do you relate? Do you have questions? Anything at all, you guys. Thank you. Dan C. Bearded one more time. Please stay bearded and stay positive.